Stop chasing followers. Start building a brand that follows you. Step 0. Quick reality check. Attention is currency. If you want a piece of it, you need a plan. Step 1. Choose your niche. Pick the intersection of 3 things: what you love, what you're good at, what people actually search for. Think: AI tools for creators, short-form storytelling, growth copywriting. Step 2. Build your identity. Create a simple logo, clean banner, one-line bio that answers who you help and how. Lock in a consistent color palette: electric blue, black, white, with a gold accent. Use it everywhere. Step 3. Start posting. Prioritize short-form videos, carousels, searchable captions. Use a content calendar. Batch record so quality and frequency both win. Step 4. Give value first. Teach, simplify, solve problems. Use checklists and frameworks. Clear takeaways people can use right away. Step 5. Show your work. Publish portfolios, case studies, results, clips of real projects. Proof converts curiosity into trust. Step 6. Stay consistent. Small, regular uploads beat sporadic perfection. Track progress, views, saves, DMs. Prioritize revenue signals, not vanity metrics. Step 7. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments, answer DMs, build micro relationships. Your community will become your loudest amplifier. Your name is your brand. Start small, be useful, scale with intention. Today's consistent steps are tomorrow's opportunities. Ready to begin?